SPS operates service centres in over 20 countries around the world. For example, here in Glattbrugg. Here at its main site in Zurich, SPS processes, among other things, the entire business mail of a major Swiss bank with around 22 million documents per year. In addition, we digitise invoices and documents for health insurance companies.
Opening and scanning are performed here with state-of-the-art machines in a single step using one-touch processing. Our payment factory is also located in our service centre in Glattbrugg. In this factory, we process over 50 million documents per year for leading Swiss banks, such as Raiffeisen, Postfinance and Berner Cantonal Bank.
Every morning, we receive documents from around 70 banks. They are opened, sorted, scanned and archived here.
In addition to standard processing, we also perform exception handling directly on customer systems for many banks. In all services, we guarantee the highest level of security in accordance with banking standards. We are subject to the FINMA regulations and guarantee that all data remains in Switzerland at all times. Another advantage of processing through SPS is the use of a single, multi-client, highly automated IT solution and the very high STP rate. The collaboration with SPS is very cooperative and constructive. We solve any problems that occur together and pragmatically. Here at Sanitas, we would choose SPS again today. Working in partnership with our customers is the basis for successful projects. Together, we will also make your company fit for the future.
SPS. The power of possibility.